relating to 2022 recruitment, wherein they have sought to include the vacancies which remained in the earlier 2020 recruitment. So that is why on 19th of May, Lordship sees, Lordship has granted an interim order also.
There are three connected.
I need to file it, madam. Within a day or two, I'll file it, madam.
Who is for the writ petitioners?
I am for the writ petitioners, madam.
How do you revive lapsed lists?
It is not lapsed, madam. I'll come to it, madam. Allow me to file my counter activity. It is ready.
The recruitment
has taken place.
No, it is. Yes, see, these were never part of it, madam. I'm bring documents on record to show, madam. I prepared it, madam. Just give me a day or two time.
You were the writ petitioner.
Yes, madam. We have also challenged the orders independently. The first matter on board in fact is SFT by me, madam.
Tell us in respect of which recruitment process.
This is 2016 TET 2020 advertisement.
2020 advertisement.
23rd December 20.
How do you take in people from 2014 panel in this?
This advertisement was meant for those people only, madam. No. This advertisement was specifically intended for these people only. The entire selection was confined.
No.
That I'll show it, madam. I'll demonstrate it. Documents on record to show it.
Vacancies accruing on.
Yes, those vacancies are there. What has happened is that advertised 16,500 vacancies.
When did these vacancies accrue?
These vacancies were advertised for the first time on 23rd December 20, and at that point in time, only the 2014 TET pass candidates were eligible and available. Because the subsequent TET happened after this advertisement came. So that is why these were the people, only set of people who were available, the 2014 TET people. And at the point of time when the advertisement came to be issued, they advertised 16,500 posts. They said we published a merit list of 15,000 and odd candidates. But in fact, that list only had 12,000 names. The board admitted before the learned single judge, it is a matter of record. The learned single judge asked the parties to sit together, they sat together, and then the board admitted the 3,900 posts they did not fill up. So that the proceedings continued with respect to that. I need to bring documents to
You are for?
I am for the primary board, my lord. We are also appellants, my lord.
I have also challenged it to some extent, madam. But madam, may only allow me.
And your lordship has issued notice, my lord, and stayed this order.
Both set of SLPs, madam, have issued notice.
Three sets, your lordship.
Madam, this can't be 2 days time.
Out.
It has to be on the non-miscellaneous.
Yes,
Yes,
of course.
interim orders of
Interim orders to continue.
Miscellaneous day after 3 weeks.
Milords, there is a submission, Milords. My 2 applications for implement are pending. I was also a writ petitioner before the High Court.
See, you don't join the proceeding first time in Supreme Court.
No, there is an order in our favor by the learned single judge. Our order is not challenged before the division bench, and that's why we are not in parties. We are coming here because we will be anyways affected, Milords. We are of the same batch.
The interim orders, your lordship.
Interim order to continue.
19th May.
Milords, only we may be. Our impediment is allowed.
Yes, next.
Further orders.
May I just submit, Milords?
Yes, interim order to continue until further order.
Pleadings will be exchanged in the meanwhile, madam.
Yes, my lord. Anybody wishes to file pleadings, my lord, no
Pleadings may be exchanged. Then
Milords,
4 weeks.
Milords, my impediment to be allowed. My impediment, I was.
We are not allowing anything at this
May I just submit one thing? Milords, I was a writ petitioner before the High Court. If same 26/9/22 order was passed in my favor as well as in the favor of the main petitioner. The order passed in the main petitioner traveled up to the division bench because the state chose to challenge only that. And that's how they have come up before your lordships. Now I'll be affected by your lordship's order, Milords.
Okay, we'll see you come out when the matter is called on.
Lordship may permit me to file counter affidavit, Milords.
No.
My submission, at least written submission.
We are not allowing entry into the litigation act. Yes.
Milords,
If we may allow you to intervene, you come prepared on that day.
Lordship must say so, Milords, because otherwise.
Why do we want everything to be recorded?
Milords, Lordship may just see.
Whatever, all these matters will be listed on that.
Milords may.
All connected applications to be listed.
Milords may just appreciate one thing, Milords. The state challenges one order, leaves the other one. No, there I'm left in a lurch, Milords. So I have to oppose the state.
The board might reply to the impediment, Lord, just in case if your lordship feels.
There's nothing to file in the impediment. We'll know whether to add him or not.
Great, Lord. Great, Lord.
53.
Great, Lord.
The entire issue is before your lordship. Nobody is, my lord, going to be prejudiced. Your lordship will decide.
We are getting confused with 11, 12, then
Group B, Group C, everything.